Hello, my name is Robert Borges, and today we are at the MarineMax Pompano Yacht Center aboard this gorgeous new 2026 Magellano 25 metri. The yacht really encompasses the new nature of your long-range cruiser, with both Italian design by Vincenzo De Cotiis. It gives you 4-bedroom layout with a space that really allows you to enjoy the outdoors, indoors, and indoors, outdoors. As you can see, we have many windows throughout the boat, a full sliding glass door. The boat is also powered by twin MAN engines, which gives you a cruising speed of about 18 to 22 knots at a long range capacity. Follow me on to this wonderful spiral staircase and let's take a look at the flybridge area. Here we are aboard the flybridge of this beautiful Magellano 25 meter, and Vincenzo De Cotiis' brilliance exudes in this design. We have a hardtop with adjustable veneers supported by a minimalist mast, and really what a gathering space for you and your family and your friends. A helm station on the flybridge, as well as access to the pilot station down below. So really a brilliant design, both functional and beautiful at the same time. Vincenzo De Cotiis' masterful interior design does not end in the interior. Here in the exterior cockpit, we have a wonderful gathering space with a high-low table that can be another dining area or gathering place. You have a privacy shade to give you not only privacy, but shade from the elements, and an amazing tender garage door that doubles as a massive swim platform. And once that is lowered, your whole entire view to this area opens up with this glass wall, now letting you enjoy the beautiful ocean surrounding you. Thank you for joining us today on this walkthrough of this brand new 2026 Azimut Magellano 25 metri. We're located at the Pompano Yacht Center, and we look forward to walking through this wonderful yacht with you in person. Again, my name is Robert Borges. Have a great day.